As far as important information here, just a reminder that access to all Premium and Premium Plus memberships ends on June 30th. So you'll no longer have access after that point, unless of course you sign up for our new memberships, which are beginning on July 1st, with the first market outlook being June 30th. And enrollment for our new memberships closes on midnight Friday, June 28th. So keep that date in mind. That is this Friday. But the enrollment closing means that if you miss it, not only will you miss out on locking in the special discounted pricing and the bonuses that we're offering, but you'll also miss out on valuable time, because after June 28th, the memberships are closed until the next enrollment period, meaning there's no access to them. You can't get back in if you don't sign up. That is until we open future enrollment periods on the membership you want. But the next time they're open, these prices are going to be different. And the bonuses, you're not going to get the bonuses that you have now. Right now, we're offering a lot of special bonuses because we want to make sure that our current members pretty much keep everything that they have and get more. So that's what we're doing. We got a lot of questions, so Sherry's here to do that. And just a comment, I'm excited for all the changes. John and Sherry, Pro seems like an even greater value than the Premium Plus is today. Yes, that's our plan, a better value. So Sherry, what do you have?
First, we want to give a big thanks to the many traders who sent their thoughtful emails. There were so many of them. It was really, really nice. They were very grateful for the Premium Plus membership and Premium membership, and their great enthusiasm for the new Go and Pro memberships. We are very excited. The Lock Your Success team is very excited to get these innovations started as well. So I did want to thank everybody who sent us emails, and we're still going through them. So I will be getting back to more emails today. So the next thing, one of the questions that we got was, I live in Singapore and I'm not able to attend the webinars live. Will there be recordings? All sessions that we're going to be doing will be recorded, because we understand that not everybody can attend because of all the time differences. And the recordings will be available within 48 hours of the presentation. We do encourage the students to actually post their questions at least 48 hours prior to the Go Ask a Trader and the Trading with the Pros live sessions, so that we can carefully lay out detailed answers, so no one will miss a chance to ask a question or hear the answer if they cannot attend the sessions live. If you're not able to attend the live sessions, that's not a problem. You'll be able to ask your questions and you'll be able to hear the answers.
Right, and I thank you, Sherry. And the point I want to make up too with asking the questions, if you can ask them to me early enough, say you're not going to be at the webinar or in the session, and you wanted to, because you can't for whatever reason, if you ask me a question and you give me 48 hours or so, I can, and the question's not clear, because a lot of times someone will ask a question and it's not clear to me what it is, or it's not well defined. And that way I can come in and I can define the question with you via email, so that I understand exactly what the type of answer you're looking for, and then I can answer that question properly on the session, rather than just throwing it in last minute and having me kind of guess at what you mean. And that way you don't. In other words, I want you to make sure you get a complete answer to your question, and we're actually answering the question you want.
So the next question is, since the founding member subscription prices are much lower than the regular subscription prices, will the rate increase at some point? As long as the founding member maintains their subscription at the founding member rate will never increase. So they will stay right where they are. You are a Go member, it's $49, and if you maintain that membership and don't unsubscribe, you will keep that $49 rate. 2, 3, 4 years, and just in infinitum. And then also same with the Pro, so it would be $199 going forward into the future. As long as you stay a member and stick with us, we will keep it at the same rate for you. The next question was, I noticed on the calendar that the Market Outlook session is scheduled for Sunday, June 30th, and I thought the membership started on July 1st. So that is true. We will be presenting the first Market Outlook session on the 30th, as John mentioned earlier. All the registered Market Outlook subscribers and the Pro members will be invited to attend. If you are a registered Founding Go member, you will also be invited, since John included that as a bonus for the Go membership. And you will have Market Outlook subscription for as long as you maintain your Founding member membership. Next question is, as a Premium Plus member, I have been receiving complimentary access to the X4 track classes. Will I be able to receive the rest of the classes in the track? The answer is, if you subscribe to the Pro membership prior to June 28th, yes, you'll be able to receive the complimentary access to the rest of the X4 track classes at the rate of one class every 30 days, just as you did as a Premium Plus member. So this is a bonus that John had included for founding Pro members. However, please note that the track classes are not included in the Pro membership. So no further tracks will be added to the Pro members account who did not take action and enroll by June 28th. So the tracks are now all available to be purchased as courses, so you'll still be able to learn that content, but it won't be included in the Pro membership. It's only included because John added that as a bonus.
Right. You'll continue to have access to whatever you have, though.
Right. So if you're currently, so let's go over that. So if you're currently a Premium Plus member and you subscribe to Pro membership by June 28th, you will still have access to all the information that you had as a Premium Plus member. And if you're enrolled in a track, you can continue with that track and finish out all the classes in that track. Did I say that correctly?
I think you did. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good. Yeah. Okay. But no further tracks will be added after that. Here is another question. So I was a Premium Plus member in the past, but chose to unsubscribe. I had complimentary access to some track classes prior to canceling. If I subscribe as a founding member, will I be able to have complimentary access again to continue my learning in those tracks? So as a subscription service, once a member cancels, all of the access that was granted with that subscription is removed. Based on that, any previous access to the track classes will not be granted. We now have the track classes available for purchase as classes so students can continue their learning. So per that policy, we would not be giving access to past track classes.
Right, but for this one special enrollment period, though, why don't we allow that? Just for this enrollment period. In other words, not future enrollment periods, but just this one. So if somebody, we'll give somebody the opportunity if they left Premium Plus, in the last year or two, then if they come back, we'll allow them access to their past classes that they had. So they had all the coaching sessions and everything, and the past tracks, as long as they continue to be a member. Why don't we do that?
Okay, so the courses that you now sell for like over 1,000 and up to almost 3,000, you're gonna give them the track classes that they had prior to their canceling?
Just for this transition.
You're offering it as a bonus if they sign up by the 30th.
Right, as a bonus, we'll let them have the pack information that they had before. That was complimentary. We'll just do it for this one though. Okay.
So it's only a bonus until the 28th, and they're a founding member.
Right. Yeah, we're the founding members, and this is the opportunity. If they don't want to take it, then that's fine. But this is the opportunity.
All right. Well, I will change my notes. Okay. So this is a great opportunity because now these tracks are being sold as courses, so you can still learn the material. However, you would buy the course, but John's offering to give it to the past Premium Plus members. Wow, as a bonus. Okay, I'll make note. Yeah, that's all I have. That put the exclamation point right on it. Thanks.
All right. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. So, my whole point in this transition and the special bonuses we have is to make sure that, I really appreciate all the members that we have and the members that we've had in the past. And, I want to give everybody the chance to keep all the access to everything they have as we transition to the new memberships and, pretty much at the same pricing that they've had, and new people coming in, they're not going to get the same treatment. So we want to make sure, after this, we want to make sure that you guys get what you need. I think that's fair. We have the question of, how do I access or get to the point where I can sign up for the membership levels? That's really as simple as going to if you go to our page, you'll probably get that annoying pop-up, and that will take you right there. So boom, just go to the website, lockyour6.com. You should get the pop-up, and that'll show you how to get right there. And other than that, you go to resources, innovations, and you can just click on the open enrollments. These guys are not open right now, but we're allowing you to have them with membership. So just click on the membership and you go from there. So, all right, thanks everybody.
Hold on just 1 second. I had another page of questions and stuff, so I apologize if I can just quickly run through these. that would be great.
Okay.
For the FAQs. So I am getting an error message when I enter my credit card on the payment screen to pay for my membership. Please help. The answer is that you just send an email to Sherry at Locking Your Success, and I'll manually register you to ensure that you get founding member rates and bonuses. Sometimes different cards or different countries don't process through our system. So I will manually enter you, and then we'll work out a payment method to establish the recurring subscription credit card payment. So not to worry, just send an email to me. It will work for most of them, but not all of them we've discovered. But we do have a workaround for that, so not to worry. Also, I've had a lot of Go members asked to be upgraded to be a Pro member. And can they do that? Absolutely. We can upgrade you if you are registered as a founding Go member. I can set you up as a Pro member, and you can receive the founding member rates until June 28th. But after June 28th, the founding member rates will no longer be available.
Right. If they enrolled in Go and they want to upgrade, they have to do it before June 28th. Otherwise, it's just going to go through a normal process. Yeah. Okay.
And we've had a bunch of those. Also, here's our last question. So your trading blueprint on your innovations for trading success webinar was very interesting, and I would like to learn the M3.4U trading strategy. What are my options? You can purchase the M3.4U track as a course, or we have the limited time enrollment with a bonus that is being offered with the new Pro membership. So where subscribers, you can receive complimentary access to the M3.4U track at the rate of 1 track class per month, as long as you maintain your membership until you receive all the classes in that track. So this is the final chance to take advantage of the track program and receive 1 final track. The offer will not be happening again after June 28th. And just to summarize the tracks that we have available, we have the M3.4U, the V32, the X4, the UB1 and 2, and the Broken Wing Butterfly Master Track. So you'll be able to enter one of those if you're not already in a track. So I just wanted to point that out. That there was another page on my Q&A, and I didn't see it. So.
Right. And if somebody has like 1 track left, let us know. We might be able to get you into the next one, another one.
Jeez.
I know.
Okay,
as long as it's not too much of an administrative nightmare. Okay.
I will do it for our students. Absolutely. So.
Okay.
So just let us know. So I just wanted to finish up the Q&A. So that is all I have. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everyone. And trade well. We will see you next week. And I'm excited to do the market outlook on Sunday night. So we'll see you there. Bye, everyone.